Hey besties, we're back with a new product launch, Kiara Sky's new rub-on collection. It includes 8 holo, 8 chrome, and 1 mermaid rub-on powder. They're all so easy to use and so eye-catching. I love them all so much. Now let's get to it. Today I'll be using our mermaid powder and the brand new rub-on top coat. Now this top coat is pretty special because it's actually used as a base for the powder and a top coat, and it's non-wipe. As you can see, I've already applied the color to my client's nails and fully cured them. Now I'm going to apply a thin layer of rub-on top coat to each nail. The colors I've used on this set are Gimme a Beat, Heartfelt, Caution, New York City, and Tropic Like It's Hot. Pro tip: if you're applying the rub-on powder over gel like I am here, then it's extremely important to make sure each layer of gel is fully cured for 60 seconds. Now that I've applied the top coat, I'll cure for 30 seconds. I'll pick up a little powder on my applicator and just rub the nail. It's that easy. You just rub until the powder is fully absorbed into the nail. Here's another pro tip. Make sure that with each layer of gel, your application is super smooth and perfect, or else the powder is going to show every little imperfection. I love the different tones that come out of the powder depending on what color the nail is. Beautiful. Here's one last pro tip. When you or your client put your hand in the light, it's super important to make sure that you put your hand in the light correctly. Make sure it's at the exact right spot that your lamp requires and not too far in or too far out. If these nails don't cure completely, then the powder will chip off and no one wants that. This will also prevent any patches from forming. Now all that's left to do is apply my rub-on top coat once more, but this time I'm going to cure for a full 60 seconds. Look at these nails. I love it. Thanks for joining me, bestie. I'm gonna go play with some more rub-on powders and see what else I can create with all these colors. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.